Much of the world's attention has been on the 2020 presidential election, but the coronavirus is still spreading across the United States, and we're seeing huge spikes in cases even here in southern Arizona. News 4 Tucson's Austin Walker joins us live right now with more on what's fueling the increase. Austin.
Health officials say, to put it simply, people are getting lazy. Americans have been under some sort of regulation or restriction for more than 6 months. And with Thanksgiving right around the corner and the increase of coronavirus cases in Pima County, this is not the time to be complacent. On Friday, Pima County recorded over 300 new positive cases of COVID-19.
It's been a long haul.
Will Humble, the executive director of the Arizona Public Health Association, says as Arizona cases are on the rise again, we're not alone.
A lot of these states from Missouri, North and South Dakota, they just don't have mitigation measures in place and really no expectations.
Places in the Midwest where mask mandates are uncommon. While Pima County has a mask mandate, much of the state still does not.
You can drive an hour, to the east and go to Safford and see hardly nobody wearing a mask.
Humble says another big problem is fatigue.
And I don't mean fatigue about masks. I'm talking about more fatigue around not being able to see people. And so when somebody's birthday rolls around, maybe over the summer you said, well, let's not do a birthday party, but people now are thinking, come on.
Paula Mandel, the deputy director for the Pima County Health Department, says if cases continue to rise, the county could impose new and even more restrictions.
So at this point, it's still a lot of discussion.
Thanksgiving and holiday celebrations might also look a little different this year. Health officials are pleading that everyone uses their best judgment, keeping socially distant and moving celebrations outside if possible.
My main piece of advice is to have a working agreement between everybody that before they arrive, they're going to get tested.
Officials say the vaccine is right around the corner, and Humble urges everyone to stay on course and not let up, even though it's difficult.
There is light at the end of the tunnel. I know it's been really, really hard. We're coming to the end here, and it'd be a shame to let up our guard, and sort of throw our hands up when, in fact, if we just stick with this for a few more, 3 or 4 more months, we're going to be home free.
Health officials also recommend if you do plan to celebrate Thanksgiving with your family, everyone should get a COVID-19 test to make sure everyone is staying accountable. And most importantly, everyone is staying safe. We got you covered from the health department. I'm Austin Walker, News 4 Tucson.